is it going, ladies and gentledoms? Today we're going to be doing Himiko Toga makeup, and I'm very excited because she is such a fun makeup look to do. It's a lot of like eyeliner and the lashes are really big, and we have big bright lipstick, and that is so much fun. I left my stuff in the other room. So just me and Christine.
Hi, Lee. I got it.
I'm wearing my hat that Belle's Costume Shoes gave me on Instagram. Very fun. I got it when they made me some shoes for Mina, so I have a Mina hat now. That's fun. Anyway, this is just foundation and concealer and lipstick that I got at CVS today because I had to go pick up an adapter for a microphone that didn't even end up working. So, yay. So I've got foundation, and I just have stuff like it's quote unquote fancy, but you don't need fancy stuff to make a good makeup look and feel confident in your makeup. You deserve to feel confident whether or not you got crazy stuff going on in your like collection of makeup, because you're sitting in my brush collection right now. Can you hear my cat?
What?
What's your problem?
Did you just?
I messed up my Toga wig.
Hey, stop, stop.
He's destroying my set. Mom! I'm gonna put my hair back a little bit. You look a little silly. Okay, anyway, don't put that back there. You stay down. All right, so I'm gonna start with my foundation and go from there. So I mean, I just do basic. Like I don't do all the fancy like this is where you place foundation and this is kudos to people who do that, because I don't know how to do that. But I'm just like I put it on. I put it on, man. Oh, I forgot to take off my lipstick. Naked. Oh. Alright. Anyway, we'll just use it to our advantage. Just put concealer on the darker spots on my face, where I might have acne or under eye bags. Someone needs to go to sleep on time. There's a mirror behind me. I'm talking to you. My cat scratched my face over here, so I'm gonna put some there. So there she is. Get rid of that. I don't wipe it on my lips again. So anyway, hydrate or dihydrate. Let's go in with eyebrows. I don't, I'm like the worst at doing tutorials because I don't use like fancy, like this is for eyebrows, this is eyeshadow from CVS. Like this is a matte carroty whatever palette. Like I use Nimbus, the color, this one, just for my eyebrows. Just cause like it works. And so I fill these guys in quite normal for Toga. For Dinky, they're sharper usually. I always keep the eyebrow slit. I know she doesn't have one, but I think I like the eyebrow slit, so. But this one, this is how I do my eyeliner now. I believe I don't really know, but I think I have hooded eyes. A little bit. Just a little bit. And so I want to, I do it, instead of like putting down my eyelids so I can do it, I leave them open and start it like this. And then without like moving my eye, pull it across. So that it makes this little odd shape, but it works. And I just bring it all the way across. I fill it in, touch up some of the spots, but there she is. Done. So then I just go underneath and connect it. Pull it all the way. Very light, just coming underneath. Little line there. I like it. Looks cute. It's laid. Alright, so I'm gonna do the same thing over here. Nailed it. Okay, cool. So, did you think we're done with eyeliner? We're not done with eyeliner. We're never done with eyeliner. And we are done with eyeliner. Let's do it. So, I then take it straight from my nose, kinda, and pull it to the waterline and connect it to the previous one. Just kinda like a straight line. And then I pull it up to connect it to the top lid line. Cat is meowing. And then I have this like sharp line eye. So cool. And then most of my girls I add eyelashes by connecting two lines into a triangle off of the side. I have this Wonder Swipe, I don't know, liquid eyeshadow, I think. Use this underneath the corner of my eye, right here. It's just white, and I really like it because it brightens up the look and kind of opens the eye a bit more. Mascara, I have Snapscara by Maybelline New York. So I just a trick that I use to make it feel like look longer is I start it at the base, and as I'm moving up I give it a little shimmy. Give your mascara a little shimmy, because that separates the lashes and allows it to get all of them. And so then I just do the ends like that. Shimmy, shimmy. Give me a little shimmy, shimmy. And do it on the lower lashes. We do a little shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. And then shimmy the other side. Shimmy, shimmy. How many times have I said shimmy? Wow. Should be numbered. And we're done shimmying. Even if I'm putting on fake lashes, which I'm so excited because they're right here, I like to put mascara on because it helps the lashes blend into my real lashes, and then they look more natural, even though I don't think you can make these look natural because these are big. I put glue on one of the lashes first, just a really light coat, and then I let that one sit while I put glue on the other, so this one can get tacky while I put glue on the other one. So then once that one gets tacky, I can put it on, and while I'm putting that one on, the glue on the other lash gets tacky And I can go ahead and put it on once I'm done putting on the first lash. Little stripe, yeah. So I just set it real close to my pre-existing lashes. I love these lashes. They look big, but they're not annoying. They're only annoying if the glue doesn't work. Stick to my face. All right, so anyway, then let's do, because we're looking very pale with like this big makeup look, so we need some color. So I'm going to pull out my little like blush thing. You can also use it as a lipstick. I don't use it as a lipstick. I put it here. We do little apple cheeks for her. So we put it, they look like a con makeup, and a little bit on the nose. She's cute. And we just blend it out kind of on the front of her cheeks to give it little apple, then what they call like apple blush. Instead of pulling it up here, we're leaving it here. And then I blend it out on the nose. Gives it a little blushy shine, and then we'll do the other side. I'm not letting voiceover Riley talk a lot.
Yeah, what's up with that?
I feel very talkative
Don't
today,
interrupt me.
And so I'm sorry, Queen.
You should be.
I'm just talking.
Yeah, I know, you're talking right over me.
Love it. Super sweet, super cute. She's so cute. I love her. She might be a like weird murderer, but hey, women that can kill you. All right, so now I have this real jank highlighter, and this is my Wet n Wild highlighting powder, and I use my finger, but you can also use, you know, a fancy highlighter brush if you wanted to, but I don't. I put it on my nose and put it on my Cupid's bow. Tap it here, give the cheekbones a glow. Oh, here we go. I tried taping it together, the tape ripped. Now I just set it between other makeup things so that...
Stop!
So that it doesn't fall apart like my background that my cat moved. No. So now we did all of the face stuff, and now we get to do my favorite part, which is this bright lipstick that I absolutely love. It's a lipstick stain, so it doesn't come off, but this doesn't have a label anymore, brilliant. But it's so cute, look how cute. And it tastes good too, so, but like, don't eat it. There she is. Ah! 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 Okay, so that was, oh God, I love this makeup so much. I wish I could wear it every day. I can wear it every day. You can wear whatever you want every day. I just don't have the energy to do it every day. That's the problem. So, oh my God, I love it. Okay, cool. This is empty, by the way, so I'm gonna replace it. And put that in the trash up there. Put this organizing. God, it's not gonna stay organized even if I try. Alright. I don't do any eyeshadow for her. She's got enough going on. Hydrate or dihydrate. Stop. Oh my God. Crazy. Anyway, so let me get her teeth and the wig. Okay, I'm back. I have little teeth. Little teeths. You go to Amazon. It came in like an assorted pack of sizes, but I don't like the little, they come with little wax balls that you melt down and then you mold them to your teeth. I don't like using those because they don't work. They don't stay on my teeth very well, even though they're really supposed to. And it works for a lot of people, but I don't like them. So I got denture adhesive cream, and it works like this. I put it just a little bit on like each side of the tooth, and I put it like on my canine. Don't make fun of my lisp that these make me have. Be nice. So, I'll take this off. Beautiful. If you want to help me cosplay, you can go to my wish list, link in the description or in the bio of my Instagram or TikTok, and you can help me get cosplays. Anyway, that's my wish list. So we're gonna pop these babies on. And then I usually put on either my red contacts or my yellow ones. I don't really feel like putting contacts in right now. I will do it later. But this is the final look. Montage. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. This was so much fun and I am in a really good mood now because the makeup turned out really good and I'm very proud of it. And I hope that this helped you, give you some inspiration maybe, taught you how to use some products or gave you some advice, help you get some confidence in cosplaying because you can do it. Check out the links in the description to support me in any way. There's Instagram, TikTok, Patreon, things like that. I'm also going to be opening my Etsy or a different shop back up very soon, so keep in touch for that. I love you all. Thank you so much. I'm letting this run on because I feel like I'm going to forget something and in post gonna have to add it. We good? Okay, cool. So, thank you all so much. I love you guys. You guys mean the world to me. Stay safe. Know you are enough. And have a lovely day. Got a bolt.